Hi, Assalamualaikum for everyone. I gonna talk about introduction. Tourists in our country is more increased after pandemic of COVID-19. Because of that, demand for our hotel also become more increased. So, our group would like to create a one system that can help guests easily book hotel for holiday or business trip. For example, this system will help a guest to choose the best hotel based on their budget. The program is designed to calculate the bill room based on the type of room selected by the guest. There are 4 room types offered in the hotel, which is Superior Deluxe, Executive Deluxe, Junior Suite, and Executive Suite, which have a different price range. Customers need to enter their booking detail like check-in and check-out dates, email address, full name, phone number, and room type to use in this C++ program, and the program will instantly calculate the total room based on the number of nights they stay. So we as programmer would like to make C++ program for the user to calculate their room bill for the night they spend in the hotel. The complete C++ program will prompt user to enter their data like date check-in, date check-out, emails, name, number phone, and room type. For the output, user will get their room bill which contain their name, check-in date, check-out date, phone number, room type, and total bill they have to pay for the day they spend in the hotel. So now, we move to the problem statement in the Giggle Nest Hotel Management System. We have 4 problem statements. First one is booking management issue. The existing system may have a problem about bookings like overbooking, double booking, and incorrect room register. Secondly is guest payment issue. Nowadays, many people do carry a cash, so the system provides a payment method such like cash, credit card, and online banking. Third, lack of real-time room availability tracking. The existing system does not provide real-time update on room availability. This creates challenge for both staff and guests in confirming booking. For the last problem statement is difficulty in generating financial reports. The absence of automatic reporting system make it difficult to track monthly revenue categorized by room type.
So, these are the 5 objectives of the Giggle Nest Hotel Management System. First, to record guest details. Second, to search available rooms by type. Third, to calculate room bill. Fourth, to record payment method desired by guests. And fifth, to calculate and display monthly collection by room type. Hi everyone, today I will be presenting the flowchart for our hotel management system, which is designed to be streamline the booking and management process for the Giggle Nest Hotel. Let me start from the beginning of the flowchart. First, we have initialization. The system initialized by declaring 3 variables. First, type as a string. Second, available unit as an integer. And third, price as a double. These variables are essential for managing room types, availability, and pricing. Next, we move to welcoming guests. The system prompts the user to enter the current day of the month. It then displays a welcome message. Welcome to the Giggle Nest Hotel. And please fill out the guest details. Following this, the system proceeds to guest details input. It asks for guest information, including their name, phone number, check-in date, and check-out date. This ensures all required details are recorded before proceeding to room selection. Now, we move to the room selection process. The system first displays a list of available rooms with their types, units, and pricing in RM. The room types include, first one is Superior Deluxe, RM 180, second, Executive Deluxe, RM 240, third, Junior Suite, RM 319, fourth, Executive Suite, RM 450. The guest selects a room type by entering a number from 1 to 4. The system checks the selection and assigns the corresponding price to the variable price. Then, the system asks for the number of the nights the room will be booked. Guests can also choose to add more rooms if required by entering Y or N. Finally, we move to the payment and finalization process. The system first displays available payment method, cash, credit card, or online, and the guest selects their preferred payment method. Once the payment method is chosen, the system generates a receipt that includes the hotel name and address, guest details such as name, phone, check-in and check-out dates, room type, pricing, and total charges, including any additional charges. After generating the receipt, the system updates the monthly income by adding the total daily income. It then displays the monthly income report and thanks the guest for using the service. In conclusion, this flowchart outlines a structured and efficient process for managing hotel bookings, payments, and reporting. It ensures a seamless experience for both the hotel staff and guests.
Today, I will be explaining the functionality of a hotel booking system written in C++. The program allows a hotel to manage room booking, calculate bills, and track daily and monthly income. Now, we start by including essential libraries at the top of the code. These libraries handle input and output, operation, file handling, string manipulation, and also text formatting. For example, IOStream is used for basic input and output. Fstream allows us to read from and write to files. String helps handle text like guest names. IOmanip is used for formatting output like aligning text in tables. Next, the room structure is defined to store information about each room type. It has 3 attributes. 1. Type for the room category, for example, Super Deluxe. 2. Available units to track how many rooms are left. And the last one is price to specify the cost per night for that room. We declare function prototypes here to make the code modular and easier to read. This function will handle tasks like displaying room details, booking a room, printing bills, and also calculating monthly income. The main function is the entry point of the program. Here, we define an array of rooms with their details like type, available units, and also price. The second one is we create an income tracker to store daily earning. We also open a file to store booking records. This section collects guest details like name, phone number, and stay dates. This section allows guests to book rooms. The guest selects a room type and specifies the number of nights. The program updates room availability and calculates the total bill. If the room is unavailable, an error message is shown. If there are any additional charge, like extra service, the guest can input the amount, which is then added to the total bill. The program provides multiple payment options like cash, credit debit card, and also online. The selected method is saved and displayed in the bill. Guest details and receipts are saved to a file for record keeping, so that the hotel has a backup of all transactions. The display rooms function print all available rooms in a table format with their type, availability, and price. This ensures that guests can make informed decisions. The print bill function generates a detailed receipt with guest details, book rooms and their price, additional charge and total, payment, and also payment method. The calculate monthly income function adds up daily income to calculate the total revenue for the month.
Today, I will be presenting the input and output of our Giggle hotel management system. This system streamlines the hotel operation from guest registration to payment processing and receipt generation. Let us dive into how it works and the key features that make it effective. Our system is designed to manage the end-to-end process of hotel bookings. It includes guest detail input, room selection and availability checks, payment processing, and receipt generation. We will explore each feature step by step using examples to showcase the functionality. First, the system will collect the essential guest information such as name, phone number, and check-in and check-out dates. For example, a guest named Dalia binti Ahmad provide her details. Her phone number is 012-9833-239 and her stay was from February 2 to February 10, 2025. This information ensures accurate reservation and smooth check-in. Next, the system will display available rooms. It shows the room type, number of units available, and price per night. The guest will select the desired room type and specifies the number of nights. If additional rooms are needed, the system will support adding them. For example, Dahlia selected the Executive Deluxe room, priced at RM240 per night for 9 nights. This was clearly displayed in the system along with other room options. It ensuring transparency and convenience. It will then ask if you want to add more room. If the guest select yes, the system will display again the available room and then the guest will select the desired room type and specifies the number of nights again. Once the guest select no, the system will ask the guest to enter the additional charge if there is any. For example, Dahlia has an additional charge of RM20. Once the booking details are confirmed, the e-system will prompt the guest to choose a payment method. Options include cash, credit or debit, and online payment. For instance, Dahlia opt for online payment. This flexibility will accommodate different guest preferences. It will then ask if there is any more guests that want to book the room. If they input yes, the system will display again, start from the guest detail until the payment method again. For instance, our second guest is named Kiara binti Jamal. She provided her details. Her phone number is 017-9895-043 and her stay was from 12 December to 15 December 2025. For the room, Kiara selected the Superior Deluxe that is priced at RM180 per night for 3 nights with additional charge RM9. Then, Kiara selected cash as the payment method. After payment, the system will generate a detailed receipt. The receipt will include guest detail, room type, price per night, and any additional charge, the total bill payment, and the payment method. For example, Dahlia receipt showed the room type, price per night, additional charge, payment method, and the total bill, which is RM2,200. Similarly for Kiara's receipt. These receipts are clear and ensure transparency for all transactions. At the end of the month, the system will compile a summary of the hotel earning. For instance, the monthly income during this demonstration was RM6,779. This feature will help management to track revenue efficiently and make data-driven decisions. Lastly, this is how the output is shown in the file. It will display the check-in and check-out dates. Then, it will display the hotel name, the address, and then the bill receipt, which include room price, which include room type, price per night, additional charge, and the payment method for each guest. At the end of the receipt, it will display the total bill and then followed by the guest detail, which include the name and phone number. Lastly, it will show the message. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again.